What is the main reason of SMT machine throwing material in SMT processing? The so-called throwing material refers to the placement machine in the production process after sucking material does not stick, but the material is thrown into the throwing box or other places, or there is no sucking material and the execution of a above throwing action. Throwing material causes the loss of materials, prolongs the production time, reduces the production efficiency, raises the production cost. In order to optimize production efficiency and reduce cost, the problem of high throwing rate must be solved. SMT SMT machine in the processing of the main reasons and countermeasures. 1. Suction nozzle problems. Suction nozzle deformation. Damage caused by insufficient air pressure. Leakage caused by suction cannot afford. Take material is not correct. Identify through and throw material. On the other side, clean and replace the nozzle. 2. Identification system problems. Poor vision identification or laser lens is not clean. There is debris interference identification. Identification light source selection and intensity. Gray level is not enough and may be damaged. Recognition system. Countermeasures. This time clean and wipe the surface of the identification system. Keep clean and no debris stains. Adjust the intensity of the light source gray. Replace the identification system components. 3. Position problems. Quality is not in the center of the material. Take material height is not correct. Generally meet the parts after pressing down 0.5 millimeters and cause deviation. Take material is not offset. The identification is inconsistent with the corresponding data parameters and is discarded as invalid material by the identification system. Adjust the feeding position on the opposite side. 4. Vacuum problem. Insufficient air pressure. Vacuum pipe channel is not smooth. There are guides block vacuum channel or vacuum leakage, resulting in insufficient air pressure and material cannot afford to take up after falling on the way to pace. Countermeasures. Adjust the pressure steep slope to the required pressure value of the equipment. Clean the pressure pipeline and repair the leaking gas path. 5. Program problems. The original parameters in the edited program are not set correctly, which is inconsistent with the actual size, brightness and other parameters of incoming materials, resulting in failure in identification and discarding. Countermeasures. Modify the original parameters and search for the best parameter setting of components. 6. The problem of incoming materials. Irregular incoming material and pin oxidation and other unqualified products. Countermeasures. IQC do incoming material detection. Contact with component suppliers. 7. Feeder problem. Feeder location deformation. Feeder feed bad. Feeder and gear damage. Material belt hole is not stuck on the gear of the worker. There is a foreign body below the feeder. Spring aging or electrical bad. Cause to take material cannot or take material. Bad and throw material. And the feeder is damaged. Countermeasures. The adjustment of the worker. The cleaning of the feeder platform. The replacement of the broken parts and the feeder throwing phenomenon to solve. You can first ask the field personnel through description and then, according to the observation and analysis, directly find the problem so as to find the problem more effectively to solve. At the same time improve production efficiency. Want to know more? XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Take you to know more about PCBA knowledge.